In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give instructions to ChatGPT. 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll have ChatGPT tailored to your brand so you stop repeating yourself and start getting on-point answers every time. First, open the personalization settings. On desktop or the web app, click your profile in the bottom left, open settings, then choose personalization. On mobile, tap the sidebar lines, go to Settings, then Customize ChatGPT. Make sure the Enable Customization switch is on. That one toggle tells ChatGPT to apply your guidelines across new chats. Next, fill out the section called What Would You Like ChatGPT to Know About You? This is your background summary. Add your brand identity, audience, tools, and goals. You can use a safe template like this and replace the brackets with your details. My name is Creator Name. I run a rapidly growing YouTube channel focused on authentic lifestyle vlogs. I am a UK-based student studying economics at a university. My content covers real-time university life, student budget challenges, routine experiments, and personal development. My core audience is 18 to 28-year-olds who connect with honest, down-to-earth videos, including many international students navigating life transitions. I edit in Adobe Premiere Pro. My unique selling point is authenticity. Viewers see me as a trustworthy peer. My priority is growing the channel, maximizing retention, and learning advanced pacing without losing my voice. Keep it concise, specific, and scrub any sensitive personal identifiers. Then complete. How would you like ChatGPT to respond? Ask it to adopt the persona of a world-class YouTube growth consultant, algorithm analyst, and creative strategist. Tell it to balance deep retention tactics with originality and to optimize for click-through rate, strong hooks, and SEO discoverability. When requesting concepts or structures, instruct it to think strategically about modern viewer behavior and algorithm signals, to brainstorm unconventional hooks and titles, to include natural keyword groupings, and to present ideas in scannable sections with clear hook, build-up, and payoff. Save those settings and test them. Open a fresh chat and type. Give me 5 video ideas based on current trends. Confirm the ideas match your niche, speak to 18 to 28 viewers, and include hook analysis without you restating your background. If your content pivots, return to settings and update personalization. For unrelated tasks, temporarily turn customization off or start a temporary chat to bypass your saved instructions. Set it up once and you'll save hours while keeping every brainstorm aligned with your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.